Hey guys, GoldStreams here again. We've got another video, right? As you can see now, there's a couple of things that have been changed, and I know I haven't been posting for a while. I haven't done any breakdowns for a while. There is reason behind the madness. First off, it's Ramadan, as some of you guys know. I have been fasting. I have not been trading my usual London Open and pre-London sessions. And I've been trading sort of throughout the day, like Asian session. I've been doing New York, NYSE Open, just really when I'm able to catch volume moves. Now, there is a couple of interesting changes that I've had to make. Well, not I've had to make, but I've kind of been forced to make. So my broker, so I trade with Dominion Markets, has basically stopped us from trading on C Trader. Hasn't stopped us, but they've doubled the commission size that we have to pay if we trade on C Trader. So that's on my personal account. Now I don't like MT5. I don't like MetaTrader in general. I don't think Magic Keys works very well with it. I don't like sort of the layout, the user integration. It's not that great compared to C Trader. It looks very outdated, but it is what it is. So I haven't made any videos in terms of that because I've been trading on sort of MT5, and I haven't really been taking any trades on my personal account either way. Now, what has been updated is I am, as you guys have probably noticed on the Instagram, I am trading my funded account, right? So this is a funded account that I'm trading with, and they allow me to trade on C Trader. This is sometimes what I would be trading with either way, right? And I wouldn't show it, so I was always showing you guys my personal account. With this trade, and this is sort of the interesting bit, I suppose this is the main thing of the day. You'll see here that prices came up to around 20 well 20. I'm still stuck on the 2000s, 3028, created resistance, and then came down and created support around 3025. Now, as the 30-minute candle was breaking the previous 30-minute candle low, which was also the 1 hour low, which closed bearish. Excuse me. I took my entry and I had my stop losses above the 30-minute candle, which is around 20 pips, 21 pips there. Take profit. The target was sitting at around 25 pips to the bottom side, right? Now, this is sort of where it got interesting because the 15-minute candle closed. Once the 15-minute candle closed in my favor as well, so the 15-minute had a similar support. Once the 15-minute candle closed in my favor, then it was sort of plain sailing. I wanted the 15-minute candle, the next 15-minute candle, to make a top wick and then start moving down. If in terms of risk management is key. If this candle was to come back up into the zone, right, to where we've marked, then I would be closing 50% of the trade. I wouldn't be holding it anymore, right? So 50% if the candle was to come back up and break above my zone, right? If the candle didn't do that and continued to move down, then that's fantastic. We can get our TP hit. Now, our TP is set at that level because, as you can see, it's a problem area on the 30-minute time frame. Like you had a candle close with a rejection width to the downside, very small body, bullish candle, and then on the 15-minute time frame, that was basically support that was created, and price continued to move up. So, in my understanding of the markets, is that's where I'm expecting price to go, to tap into that previous support area, at least to tap into it. Now, I don't want to hold this trade for too long. If I start seeing too many rejections, and if I start seeing the candle, like I said, break the previous 15-minute low and then start breaking its own high, I'm closing full positions, right? I'd rather take, a 7-8 pip loss than hold that while I'm watching that candle flip bullish and go all the way to my original stop loss. So the whole point is managing risk. And as you can see here, we're getting like 1 pip, 2 pip away from our take profit, and it's not hitting, and now it finally hits. But yeah, that was a beautiful trade. Another 1.5% made on the account. Hope you guys enjoy it. Obviously, we'll start updating with the content as we go into next week and regular trading sessions. Thank you guys.